Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of pull me up cake. This cake is very famous among the kids. Mostly it's liked by the kids. So to make the chocolate ganache for this cake, I have used dark chocolate. If you like the video, then do share and subscribe. To make the cakes, I have used 4 inches 2 cake tins. I have greased them with butter and put the butter paper. Now to make the cake, in 3/4 cup of warm milk, I have added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. List of all ingredients used is also there in the description box below. Now to make the cake, first we'll sift all the dry ingredients. So here I have taken all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, half teaspoon of salt, baking soda, baking powder, and we will sift all these ingredients twice. To make the cake, we'll mix all the wet ingredients. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of melted butter. In this we'll add the sugar. We'll whisk it nicely. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in this and whisk it again. We'll whisk all this at least for 3 to 5 minutes. In this mixture, we'll add the dry ingredients. So we'll add the dry ingredients little by little. Also we'll mix it with milk, curdled milk which we had prepared earlier. So we'll mix with light hands with mix and fold method. We'll mix all the ingredients to prepare a flowing consistency batter. To make the cake batter, I had to add 3 tablespoons of more milk in this mixture. So as you can see, our cake batter is ready. It has ribbon consistency. We'll pour this in the cake tins and bake them for 35 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. We have already preheated the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. After 35 minutes, our cakes are ready. We'll remove it from the oven and let them cool. So our cakes have been baked very well. When we insert a knife in this, it comes out clean. Once the cakes have cooled, we'll remove the butter paper from them. Now let's prepare the sugar syrup for the cake. So here in a pan, I have added 3/4 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar in this. We'll just heat it till the sugar melts and our sugar syrup is ready. So let's make chocolate ganache for the cake. Here I am using 60% cacao bittersweet chocolate which I'll cut into small pieces. We need around 200 grams of chocolate. Now on medium flame, I have added in a pan 1 cup of fresh cream and half cup of milk. We'll stir this continuously. We'll bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll remove it from heat and let it cool for 2 minutes. Then we will add it in the chocolate and mix it. We'll mix it continuously. Although the chocolate lava or ganache appears thin, but once it cools down, it will thicken up. Now let's prepare the frosting for the cake. Here I have used 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I am using a blender to whip it till we get the stiff peaks. I have also added a drop of red color in the whipping cream. You can skip it. This is sweetened whipping cream, so I don't need to add sugar in this. So we'll fill up the piping bag with the whipped cream. Now our cakes are ready and they have cooled. We'll trim the top layer of the cake with a serrated knife. Now the bottom part of the cake we will trim into 2 layers with a serrated knife carefully. So in the same manner, we'll trim the other cake also. In total, we require 4 sponges of the cake. So I have used this kind of clear plastic sheet to roll around the chocolate cake. Now I have placed both the plastic sheet very close to each other. We'll stick them together with a clear tape on both the sides. Now in a curved plate, I have applied some whipping cream. I have placed the sponge cake on it. On this, we'll brush some sugar syrup, and on it, we'll make a layer of whipped cream on it. Now we'll place another sponge on this. Same way, we will apply first sugar syrup and then whipping cream. We'll place the third sponge on this and then we'll repeat the procedure. Now after placing the fourth sponge on this, we'll just apply the sugar syrup. We'll roll the plastic sheet around the cake tightly. Here I am just cleaning the plate so that the crumbs are removed. We'll roll the plastic sheet around the cake and seal it again with clear tape. Now this procedure we have to do very carefully, because if we leave any space inside the plastic and the cake, the chocolate may seep in between these two. Once we have tightened the plastic around the cake, we'll seal it with clear tape. Now, on the sides of the top layer of the cake, I have applied some whipped cream too. Now, carefully, we'll pour the chocolate ganache or lava on the cake. So now, we'll hold the plastic from the top and slowly we'll pull up the plastic. I hope you like the pull me up cake recipe. Do try it once. Our cake also has come out very nice, soft and moist. See you in the next video with another recipe. Thank you.